Alright, greetings everyone. So, unfortunately, I didn't get done exactly what I wanted to with the game, but instead got done practically a bunch of other things that needed to. First off, there's no button to go back. I do need to go and cut off the top area here from about here down still. And get that done and move all the HP bars and stuff up in that. And as you probably already noticed, and one of them ended up getting destroyed, but... hold on, actually. I want to test a thing that's important. Shoot it back up. Okay, yeah, there's no collision in that. I didn't think I programmed any collision, but there isn't. But yeah, that goes and does that. This is going to be a new stage hazard in one of the stages, and it's basically just a barrier that can be destroyed, but that will prevent one score. And in case you didn't notice, the AI for the paddle has been adjusted to where it actually works properly, because before it was able to warp around. Yeah, once it got high enough in speed, it would start being able to literally just teleport itself, and that's kind of glitchy. It does go in quickly back to there, and it does kind of just like to go and do a back and forth one. And that makes it, I guess, an easy AI, and that's not too bad. As for other stuff, you probably already saw this, but this is me trying to go and make the character select thing work. Currently, it's not working at all. These are just objects that are gonna be buttons and all that. That's basically the same return button stuff and all that. But basically, I'm still trying to figure out that, because I've never done anything where you go and select and character select and stuff like that. That being said... Oh right, I completely forgot that I also finished that. There is another thing too. This is one of the other paddle's abilities, but since it's similar to how the back wall thing works, it's basically, you can now, that paddle will be the orange paddle, which can shoot walls, which basically don't do any damage, but they can go and be used to block the ball and have it bounce. Uh-oh. Well, we found a glitch, boys. I, though, already can probably figure out what the reason for that one is. It's because the little grooves that I have on it. So I'll just have to remove the grooves, and that should make it where it goes head on. For the most part. But yeah, this will go on another paddle, but for testing purposes, I just flung it on the red one, because might as well. And yeah, it's definitely those little corner things right there is what's causing it. But hey, good to know. Found a test thing. Other than that, though, there really hasn't been any other major progress. There's stuff for that. Though there was another thing that I did do, which was basically rework how the AI ended up going, because before it had a different way of moving about than your paddle, now it moves about like your paddle. And that's good for that. It also now bounces the same. Before it had a different form of bouncing, but I was able to go and, because it was on the other side and I didn't know how to fix it, turns out all I had to do was go and do this line of code to make it shoot the other way, once it was on that half of the screen. And that causes it to basically fix that. In fact, all the paddles will basically need this code, so I'm tempted to try and figure out how inheritance works, even though that's a bit more advanced and I don't really need it, or to just go and add that to all of those. But hey, worst case scenario, just a bunch of copy and pasting. That, though, is about all the stuff that has happened with the game, so until the next game dev update, see you later.